What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and the price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to thank you all so much for your continued support, the likes, the subs, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel, and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly well, and it's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on the bell notifications as well. Also, if you're interested in even more info, we're offering Patreon and YouTube membership for coin calls, and also more in-depth research of altcoins and massive potential. All the links are in the description, and in any instance you can sign up to the free Telegram via the description as well. It's completely free and it's complete with all of our updates. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can quite clearly see, Ethereum has been on an absolute tear recently, ever since the market-wide correction of around 25%. It's pretty obvious that Ethereum has broke out of its all-time high here, and ever since then, we identified this channel previously that it was moving up in. And then once it hits the 3K mark, it had absolutely ripped to the upside in basically an upwards trajectory. And this is obviously amazing for Ethereum holders, because it means that they can make some great gains, but obviously this kind of price action is not sustainable. And we still maintain that it's most likely that Ethereum is going to correct at some point, probably coming back down to the 3K level and retesting this area before moving up again to the upside. We can see that Ethereum is actually, it does appear to be forming a double top here. And if that's the case, then this theory would be legitimate. My goodness, I can't speak today. This theory would be legitimate because it's quite clear that a double top, means that downside potential is obviously there, and especially with this parabolic pump that seems to have happened once it broke out of this channel. It's pretty obvious that the price action may well start running out of steam soon. There's obviously two factors that could take into this. If the hype continues and Ethereum can push all the way to the 4K mark, which we believe that it probably could, considering the current amount of hype that's around Ethereum. If this happens, then it's most likely not going to pull back all the way down to 3K again, because that's a massive correction of around 25%, which is probably not likely. But it seems as though there are two scenarios that could happen here. Either Ethereum will double top here, as we can see, like this, and then come to the downside, and then consolidate in this range between 3K and 3.5K for a while, and then move to the upside again, which would be much more reasonable and sustainable price action for Ethereum. Or what we might see happening is Ethereum continue to rip past this double top and rip all the way to 4K around this mark here. And then if this happened, we'd probably see a much more substantial correction for Ethereum, because the price action has basically been going straight up when you look at the chart. For example, if I zoom out somewhat, you can see that this price action is very vertical right now. And obviously this kind of price action is not sustainable in the long term. Pretty much every single time that we've had price action like this, there's been a decent correction. And when you zoom out, it's quite apparent that a correction is most likely needed here. And most other cryptos recently have corrected around 50% from their all-time high to form a bull flag. And if Ethereum was to form a bull flag from around these levels, we'd most likely be looking at a correction back down just below 3K to around 2.5K here. So if Ethereum was to have a correction right now and cool off, we do see it coming back down to the 3K range and retesting this resistance here. However, if things start to become quite bearish for Ethereum and it starts to become really overextended, it's very likely that the price action may come down further than this, back and retest this all-time high of $2,650. And if that happens, it could come back up and form a bull flag like this, forming into this area and then pushing to the upside again. But we think this is quite unlikely considering the bull market and also the sheer amount of momentum that Ethereum is currently getting. What's probably more likely is that it will continue to the upside for the next few days and maybe even go as high as 4K, which would be around this level here. We could see Ethereum moving up to this level off the incredible amount of momentum that it's got currently, and then having quite a decent correction, maybe back down to 3.5K, or even as low as some of these levels, maybe 3,200 or even 3,000. And then having a consolidation period of moving up slowly in this channel again before moving to the upside and breaking 4K again like this. We're very, very bullish on Ethereum. Obviously, we don't really need to outline what it is and what it does. It's obviously got a massive amount of projects based on it. They're currently upgrading their network and everyone's feeling much more bullish about the project in the past few weeks because of the upgrades. They're decreasing gas fees as well, which is a massive, massive problem. So everything's looking very bullish for Ethereum currently, and that's our price prediction. In the short term, we would say Ethereum could easily hit 4K on this hype, because once things start moving in the crypto space, they move very fast. We can see in the past few days, Ethereum's ran from around 3K to almost 3.5K in the matter of days. So Ethereum could well hit 4K before it blows off its top and has a correction into this area that we've outlined here. That's our short-term price target of around 4K. Our long-term bull run end of year price target, most likely looking at least 10K for Ethereum. We'd even say 20K depending on how much of a pump it gets at the final stages of the bull run. But that's our price analysis for Ethereum today, guys. We'd like to thank you all for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below as well. Or you can sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub button below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, so please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100 and get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money straight away, so you might as well do that. Also, make sure to hit the like button as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please just go ahead and tap the like button now. It takes like 1 second and it really helps us out, so please just go and smash it now. Currently, only 10% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more. So please hit the big red sub button as well. Just go ahead and hit the like and sub buttons now, and then turn on post notifications so you can get updated with all the videos that we'll be posting from now on. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. It's completely free, so you might as well do that. You'll get all of our updates and join our community, which is going to be hopefully a valuable resource in the future for everyone. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.